there. So welcome and thanks for checking out our course on how to get amazing reviews. I'm super excited that you're here. I just want to tell you a little bit more about the course and why it's so important to get reviews and what you're going to learn. So reviews really kind of set the tone for your business as far as success and growth. The permanent makeup industry is extremely competitive if you haven't figured it out already. And with so many options, the customer really needs help choosing the right person for them. So having reviews and having amazing ones at that, it's really going to set yourself apart from the other people in the industry and your competitors. Actually, customers say that businesses with reviews are more likely to not only go there, but they're also more likely to spend more money there, which is huge for your business. 80% of customers say that they would trust an online review just as much as they would trust a personal recommendation, which is humongous. Most people nowadays search on the internet for a business, and part of that is looking for reviews. And people are just hoping to find some kind of proof that you're legit and that you know what you're doing. So in this course, I'm going to teach you how to get them, where to put them, and how to get not only just any review, but amazing ones, and how to use them to massively grow your business. So thanks for watching, and I am excited to help you get started.